Hello, in today's video we're going to go over some ways you can make money on Instagram. So the first way that I've thought of is owning an Instagram page. So as you can see, I have my own page, 10x Finance, which on the right in the screenshot you can see. So one of the best ways, and probably the main way to do it, is sell shoutouts on your page once it's got some growth behind it. So this can be shoutouts for other pages, people wanting to promote their products, a service they do, anything like that. The second way is affiliate marketing. So this is pretty much where you get given a link or a code to promote a product, and every time someone uses your link or your code to buy this product, you will get either a commission in a percentage, or you will get a set fee every time a product gets sold through your link. This is a very good way of doing it because you put in the work, the advertising, and once it gets going, it's like passive income. So the next is brand partnerships. So this is when brands will reach out to you. Obviously, brands like Nike will do this on a very large scale. We're talking about a smaller scale, but it's still a very effective way of generating an income. So they'll reach out to you. You'll create a deal to post every so often to promote their product or service. And then the fourth way is selling your own product or service. So if you are creating an Instagram page, it's likely that you have a lot of knowledge on a certain aspect or niche. Therefore, you could sell your own ebook or a service to help other people and teach them how to get the skill that you've got. So that's just some of the ways you can create an income. So the second way is managing DMs and selling shoutouts. So this is actually how I got started. I saw a big page was reaching out um, because they wanted someone to work with them selling shoutouts, just as the page owner didn't have time. So all you can do is reach out to large page owners. You have to make sure that you can provide value to the owner, because the owner could just do it themselves. So you've got to show why you're better at doing it. So, for example, you can save them time. You could have skills at closing deals, organizational skills, and things like that. So from there, you would negotiate a deal where you get a commission of profits. I would start off at, depending on the size of page, 15 to 50% commission. Obviously, start off lower, and then once you know you can provide value to them, you can renegotiate about increasing the commission. The benefits of this method is you don't have to work unless you're making money, because you only work when you're making a sale and you're making that commission, which is one of the best ways. Some of the drawbacks are a lot of page owners would rather just do it themselves, but so you will probably get turned down a few times, maybe quite a lot, who knows. But if you keep persistent, it'll definitely be worth it in the end. So the next way we have is to sell a service. This is probably one of the most common ways people try and make money. So you can create your own page, post your own content, and this is pretty much like having your own portfolio of products. So the best thing to sell is content. If you can provide value, create unique content, and sell it to pages to help them perform better. So this would be like posts, Instagram Reels, even like TikToks, you know, things like that. If you can show that you're providing value and you can give their page a good reach, then this is a very beneficial way, because the person who you're selling to, they'll see that you're providing value, and they'll tell other page owners about your great services and things like that. So the better content and more value you can provide, the more you'll charge. And once you've got a big portfolio of content, you just rebrand it and resell it each time, which will save you a lot of time. So another method of service you can sell is account management. So if you've managed to grow a large Instagram page, there are lots of other people who are wanting to achieve this goal as well. So you can use your skills to help grow accounts for people who don't have enough time or just don't have the expertise. So you can also, another service you could sell is like mentorship. If you have a skill that you want to share with people, then all you got to do is charge a monthly service, go on Zoom calls every week, every so often, and then you can, create a deal like that. So thanks for watching, everyone. So go and check out my Instagram page, 10x Finance. I'm always giving tips and advice on there, how to make money and just get more knowledge about investing. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.